Alright, let's check this out. This is Militado ML24, a vintage-inspired military watch with a smooth sweep quartz movement. Right away, this one looks like it's all about that classic field watch vibe, but with some modern upgrades. Here is the box that the watch comes in. Since this is a low-budget watch, I honestly didn't expect it to come in a branded box, but we can see it has a military-style cardboard packaging. Oh, inside there's another box, but this one is metal. At the very bottom, we also have something like a warranty card. Alright, let's open that metal box and see what's inside. First impression, super clean, super minimal and really lightweight in the hand. The watch comes in a simple nylon strap, very fitting for the military aesthetics. The Sandblasted case gives it that tool watch look, no shine, just pure function. So let's talk size. This is a 38mm case diameter, which is pretty much perfect for a classic field watch. Let me take off the protective film and we will continue. Lug to lug is 47.5mm, so it should wear nicely on most wrists. I like it, I really like it. I just love these dials with texture on them, and the color really stands out beautifully. Alright, the crown is screw down crown, so these 10 atmospheres of water resistance should definitely hold up. We pull it out to a first position, so the second hand stops and now we can adjust the time. I would say there's not much more you can expect here. Let's flip it over to the back. Under the sticker, we can see just the logo. I would say it looks minimalistic, but at least there's just one thing, and it's done nicely, with the text engraved into the case back. That's one more thing I'm happy about. And we've got a 20mm work to look, which means ton of strap options. The thickness comes in just 10.5mm, nice and slim, easy to slide under the sleeve. There is no logo on the crown. The case actually looks really good, exactly what I was expecting to see. I would say that the strap quality is satisfactory, because I've handled much rougher and less refined straps. The buckle once again has no logo, and detail-oriented fans might feel a bit disappointed, but at least the overall look of the steel elements matches the case nicely. Up top we've got a top hat domed sapphire crystal, not just for looks but also durability. It also has a high clear anti-reflective coating, which really helps with visibility in different lighting conditions. Give me a second to put the watch and let's see how it fits. I really couldn't ask for anything more. Inside is the VH31 sweep second quartz movement, so unlike the typical quartz watches that tick 1 per second, this one has a smooth sweeping second hand, almost like a mechanical watch. You get that mechanical feel, but with quartz accuracy and low maintenance. For Lume, this uses Super-LumiNova, which glows in a clean green tone. To sum up, you've got a great size, durable sapphire crystal, solid water resistance and that smooth sweep quartz movement, which is honestly a real cool feature at this price point. If you're into vintage military watches but want something low maintenance, this could be a really interesting option. Let me know what you think of this one. Would you pick this over a mechanical field watch? Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!
Born with dirt on my boots, ain't no clean slate, no suits. Chains on my wrist, broke 'em loose. Broke my back for $1, they said, but I ain't no pawn, I ain't no bread. I'm the fire they wanna put out instead. Got a rebel bloodline. sleep. I'm a star.